Hey everyone, Jason from Iron Fence Shop with a quick answer to a common question we get all the time. Today's question is welding required to install an iron fence? The quick and easy answer is no. Modern iron and steel fence are modular and can be attached to the post with brackets and simple hardware. While you can still weld the fence panels to the post if you prefer it, I'd say less than 1% of our customers do, and then it can compromise the finish at the weld spot. Let's take a closer look at the hardware we utilize with our Stronghold Iron fence to show you how this no-weld installation works. My little prop here is a shrunk down version of an installed iron fence. Let's take a look at the components broken down. Here we can see our prop taken apart and labeled. The parts we have are 1. Your main fence panel, 2. Your post that goes in ground, 3. Your cap that goes on top of the post, 4. Your bracket that attaches the fence panel to the post, and 5. Your self-tapping screw that attaches the bracket to the post. So if I take my little prop apart here, this cast iron bracket slides onto your horizontal fence railing like this. It can go all the way to the picket and slide all the way back over when you install it, so the bracket does not add anything to the width. Not only does this make for easy installation, but it can also make it that you need to trim your fence panel narrower than 8 feet, you can do so without cutting off your hanging hardware on the end. Little things like these cast iron brackets are why I love our Stronghold Iron fence line. Rather than do it like all the other fence companies that give you a thin stamped steel bracket with a flimsy screw that is cheaper and easier to make, we give you this nice hefty cast iron bracket. Not only is it stronger, but it also gives a much cleaner look to the fence and leaves you a little wiggle room in the install if your posts are a little too far apart. So, you could install our Stronghold Iron fence with no welding required. If you want to see the different types of iron fence brackets, or do a deep dive on the panel installation, check out the link in the description below to our panel install video from our 8-step iron fence install series. If we can help with any other questions about how our iron fence goes together, give us a call at 800-261-2729 or shoot us an email at sales@ironfenceshop.com. We look forward to helping you with your project.